So what we are going to learn in this course? In this course, we are going to dwell much more in detail about the CAN controllers, which are an important part of a CAN node in a form of either CAN peripheral of a microcontroller or as an external application specific integrated circuits for doing CAN communication. We will dwell into CAN controller operations and understand its concepts like of message buffer, FIFO mechanism, mailbox mechanism, along with the concepts like of message ID filter table, acceptance criteria, RxTX mailbox. Our focus will be to in detail working of CAN controllers for transmission and reception at the bit level of a microcontroller's memory. Additionally, we will learn how to interpret the CAN peripheral from a datasheet of a microcontroller and understand the contents of a datasheet so as to get the relevant information that is required for doing the CAN communication. We will also dwell into the CAN software stack so as to understand what are the important APIs and how to use those APIs for creating an easy to use and basic DIV projects. By the end, you will gain an efficiency in writing embedded software for the CAN protocol, facilitating the communication between multiple CAN nodes. Beyond project development, we are also going to dwell into the debugging capabilities and debugging strategies for the CAN protocol. We are going to dwell on how to use the CAN analyzer tools like USB to CAN analyzer tools for analyzing and monitoring the CAN messages, and we are going to also understand the debugging strategies from the embedded software perspective so as to understand the chronology and the state machine of a CAN protocol. These concepts are very crucial and important to know when one is doing the low-level CAN communication using the microcontrollers, whether we are doing the standard CAN, extended CAN or the CAN FD. These are very general and basic concepts which are used in all kinds of CAN protocol.